Welcome back to Spyrotech 365. Today's video is going to be creating cinematic trailer title animation in After Effects. Whether you're a returning subscriber or new to our channel, we're excited to have you here with us. We put a lot of time and effort into making this video as informative and entertaining as possible, so we hope you enjoy it. So, get ready to level up your skills and let's get started. I have already imported the project files. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set preset is HDTV 1080p frame rate 29.97. Set the time duration to 10 seconds. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters of effects and presets like I do. I hope we will do something amazing at the end. There we go. Okay, now our animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, or inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.